High-performing companies use development to give them an edge over their competition. Research studies have identified benefits at both the individual and organizational levels. A development system can help companies ensure that employees have the competencies to do their current jobs. But they can also be used to plan for the future and ensure that employees are ready to move laterally into jobs that open due to promotion and turnover. They can also increase engagement by showing employees that the organization cares about their growth. And they can increase retention by giving employees another reason to stay with the company, to take advantage of their growth opportunities. For the employees, development can help them understand their strengths and weaknesses and help them make better career decisions. Some of the options that we'll learn about in this module can help employees grow by expanding their current responsibilities, by giving them a temporary assignment, by giving them a break from their current work. The goal is to encourage people to drive their own development process by giving them the tools that they need and showing them how to do it. Training is more directed, more structured, whereas development is more informal and customized.